How to change iPhone color back to normal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, has your iPhone changed color? It might be because the night mode or the true tone is toggled on. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to turn it off. For that, you'll have to go to settings and then tap on display and brightness. Now you can see that under brightness, true tone is toggled on. You just have to tap on it to toggle it off. And then you can see that the iPhone has changed back to its own true color. But you must check that if night shift is also toggled on or not. So it is toggled off, but you can see that the slider is more towards the more warm side. So this also changes your iPhone color. You just have to toggle it on the line on the middle. And there you go. Now your iPhone color has been changed back to normal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.